Hi, I'm Brittany, your Stop and Shop dietitian. Welcome back to my kitchen for Wellness Wednesday. Today we're making nice cream. It's a healthy frozen treat using real fruit. It's low in calories and low in fat, so you can have it as frequently as you'd like. Today's recipe only requires 5 ingredients. It takes about 10 minutes to assemble, but does require a little bit of prep time ahead. I peeled, sliced, and froze these bananas before making this recipe today. Now I'm going to start blending things together. I'm going to take our frozen bananas, almond milk, and almond butter first. I'm going to scrape down the sides to make sure everything gets well blended. I'll do this a few times until everything's a perfect consistency. So next I'm going to add in the strawberries and vanilla for added flavor. This is where you can get creative and add in your own favorite fruit. Go with whatever's in season, that'll be the most affordable. I'll blend this just a few times so there's still some good bits of strawberry in every bite. Everything is blended and ready to go. If you just can't wait to take a bite, you can have yours now. It'll just have a very soft texture. I like to freeze mine for about 1 to 2 hours so it has a firmer texture. You can also go in the middle and freeze it for about a half an hour and it'll taste more like soft serve. I make this recipe a lot, so I have these fun containers for myself, but you can also grab some things that you already have on hand and then you can just pop it right in the freezer. All right, mine's been frozen for about 2 hours, so it's time to scoop some out. It's tasty on its own, or you can add your own favorite toppings. I'm gonna add some more fresh berries on top of mine today. It'll add a nice pop of color, and it tastes great. This tasty treat might not last long in your kitchen, but if it does, you can freeze it for up to 2 weeks and still enjoy it. I hope you enjoy making nice cream the next time you're craving a frozen treat. You can find this recipe on our website at stopandshop.com/nutrition. You can also sign up for our free online classes there and find some additional resources. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next week.